Welcome again. This is Bob Dust, your instructor for ITP 298. Today's lesson is going to show you how to create a new web application using Microsoft Azure. So log into your Microsoft Azure dashboard. We're going to click on App Services over here. This will bring up the App Services window. We'll click on Add. We're going to come here and we'll click on Web App. We will click on Create. We will add the name of our app. We'll put ITP 298, Create New, and pin to Dashboard and click the Create button. This takes it a couple minutes. And we have our ITP 298 database here. There is an excellent tutorial here. If you click on this little colored bar here, I wouldn't do that now, but I suggest that you maybe take a look at that and see what they have to say. The next thing we want to do is we want to connect our application to the cloud apps here. So we'll switch over to Visual Studio. Okay, I'm now in Visual Studio. Now I have already created my project. I'm using my sample database from before that I already have in Azure. And here is my entity framework model. I'm not going to go over how to create a web app. I trust you already know how to do that. But what I want to do now is I want to deploy my Visual Studio web app to the Azure cloud. So I'm going to right click on my web project and I'm going to publish. I may have to, you may have to connect to Visual Studio again. And once you do that, once you're connected, it knows who you are. And all we have to do now is just click on the Publish button. Click on Publish. This takes it a minute or two or less. Here is my web app. Notice my web address is itp298.azurewebsites.net. I have created a customer portal here. This is going to my cloud database and finding my customer data from the cloud. That, my friends, is fairly easy. As you can see, we did it all within the portal. Within the dashboard, we created our app service. We deployed it. We connected to Visual Studio. Now again, I already had this done, so you have to have yours done. But publishing it was scarily easy. I hope you enjoyed that, and I look forward to seeing some really nice cloud-based development. So that concludes this tutorial, and we'll cover this in class. So see you later.